Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I wanted to talk to you all regarding the Antminer L9 that I have been mining with over the past 3 days now, 4 days actually. And I wanted to show you guys the exact mining profitability I've been getting with this thing over the past couple days, and also talk about how I am going to break even on this, $15,000 miner we got from Crypto Miner Bros. Thanks to them. They are the sponsor of today's video. If you guys are looking for ASIC miners, go check them out. They got a lot of different Dogecoin miners if you're interested, and also the new iPollo V2X that's available there. Use code RedPanda if you are interested for 70 bucks off. Link down below. Going along here. Okay, so we did the video on December 2nd on receiving this Antminer L9. Pretty cool ASIC miner, very profitable ASIC miner as of now, of course. Okay, but the biggest thing that I was explaining in the beginning, which a lot of you guys commented on how should I break even on this $15,000 November batch of L9s. Okay, this is an L9 November batch that I got here. Here's me. You can probably see I'm opening it up, just making sure all the pins and everything was plugged in. Everything was pretty good except for one of the 6-pin PCIe going into the control board. I pushed that in a little bit more, but otherwise it came to me just fine, and it's been mining away just fine. Okay, typical ASIC miner, very easy to set up. But anyways, so I just wanted to start off with reading a bunch of your guys' comments. Okay, so let's just read some comments of how you guys said you would, break even on this L9 as of, let's say, December 1st. It's pretty much December 1st since I started mining on Mining Dutch to a brand new account by itself. Okay, so we can see, how much we've earned and, everything. You can see the L9 here connected by itself on a brand new account here. I already have like a couple $100 in crypto on here already, $301 after 3 to 4 days here, which is pretty insane, okay, of how much money this thing is currently making. Okay, so we're trying to get the $15,000 investment back, I guess, including electric as well, which we will calculate as we do more update videos on this. But I wanted to read some of your guys' comments here. So Mr. Ron Watkins says, I would mine to Doge and hold, but that's what I'm trying to do. I love the optimism by naming it L901. Next one from Lukewarm Miner. He says, honestly, sell 30 to 40% of it to cover costs of running other equipment as well. Hodl the remainder for massive 20 to 40% pumps. Okay, so he's, we're assuming there the 20-40% pump would be including the rise in potentially some of these coins, like, Dogecoin, which has been, over the past 60 days here, Dogecoin has gone up almost 267%. Litecoin, 96%. And we have a whole bunch of other merge mineable coins that this, Dogecoin mining, it's Litecoin mining and then merge mining, Doge, Bells, Oxpal, like all these Lucky Coin, Junk Coin, Bells, all these other ones that are on Mining Dutch. That's what you can see here. I have all the different coins that I've been accumulating here. Haven't sold or haven't, exchanged any of them on Mining Dutch yet, but you can see, over the past 4 days, already $301, which is pretty crazy. But anyways, just reading some more comments here. Another person said, White Wizard says, I would hold on to everything until the unit is paid itself off and sell off once it reaches a price point I'm happy with. That's what I did with GP mining, and it worked out quite well. It all depends on how much patience a person has at the end of the day. That is so true. So the first part he said here, I would hold on to everything until the unit is paid off itself. So I've actually done many of these tests before, okay? Maybe 4 years ago, maybe some of you guys may remember a Z15. I had a Z15 going into the bull run of 2021, okay? And this was able to pay itself off. The Bitmain Z15, which is an Equihash miner, mines Zencash, Horizon, Zcash, and Pirate Chain, and I think something else. It was able to break even by doing the mining and hodl test of just mining and holding those Equihash coins. And I was able to break even on that within 4 months. Okay, 4 months on the Z15. But that was in the beginning, or at the end of 2020, going into 2021. So that's when coins really started to pump in the previous bull run. Another example of an ASIC, which I broke even on, was the IB-Link BMK1. It's a Cadena ASIC miner This one I got, I think, at the end of 2020 as well, going into the bull run 2021. I mined and held Cadena, and this thing was able to break even in 69 days. Okay, so less than 3 months. This ASIC miner was able to break even by doing the mine and hodl, okay, strategy. Next ASIC I was able to break even as well during the bull run in 2021 was a Innosilicon A10 Pro. This was able to achieve this within 3.5 months with mining and hodling Ethereum. And that was when, of course, during the time when Ethereum was going up in the bull run in the beginnings of 2021. So I just showed you 3 different examples, 3 ASIC miners that were bought between, I'd say, October of 2020 all the way up going into 2021. And those ASIC miners were able to break even by doing the mine and hodl test. So I have this L9 here, and it's, I guess, December now of 2024, okay? And if this is reminiscent of just previous, 4-year cycle of Bitcoin, if we're going into 2025 here, then to me, that feels like 2025 is going to be like the 2021 bull run. Not financial advice, of course. But so in theory, then I should be mining and holding everything that I've been mining with this L9. I should be mining and holding everything. Okay. That would be the ideal crypto mining strategy. That is the ideal crypto mining strategy, mining and holding everything going into the bull run. Okay. So am I gonna do that this time? Am I wanting to try to see if we can mine and hold all of the coins that we are yielding over the next, couple months here? And if that happens, right, and if Doge, for instance, where we are in the market right now, is Dogecoin going to go to new higher highs? Right now, it's hovering around 40 cents, is going into the bull run in 2025. Is Dogecoin going to go to $1? Is Doge going to go to $1.50, $2? I don't know. If that's going to happen, then I would break even on this L9 extremely fast because I've been doing the whole mining and hodl method, similar to all these other coins that are available, right, on merge mining on Mining Dutch. There's Cat Coin, Lucky Coin, Bells Coin, Junk Coin, Litecoin, of course, the main coin that it's merge mining the rest of these coins. And just to show you my daily earnings here, okay, just to show you the daily earnings. So let's just go to a full day yesterday. Let's go December 2nd. Okay, so I earned about $64.40 yesterday. And according to miningnow.com, this is supposed to make daily about 63.74. So it used to be a lot better on Mining Dutch. Like this thing used to earn, maybe $5 or $6 more than what the calculators were saying. It's simply because a lot of the mining pools don't have Lucky Coin, or they do now, but they're actually stealing all this coin. They're not actually paying it out to the miners. Okay, so I have verified with other people that have L9s on NiceHash or other pools, they're not getting this extra yield here. Okay, the mining pool is getting it. So I'm not sure if those mining pools are now going to pay those out to the miners that are on, Litecoin right now. You can see a lot of these have Bells Coin, have Dogecoin, but Mining Dutch is the only one that actually specifies that it has, Junk Coin, Lucky Coin, Pepe Coin, all of these other merge mineable coins. They're the only honest mining pool that actually specifies that they are paying that out to the miners, which I showed you guys right here. And I did a video actually about this 3 months ago, September 3rd. I was the first one just to talk about, these mining pools, they weren't paying them out to the miners. So look, Pepe Coin back then had 131.27 terahash 3 months ago. Now there's 1.16 petahash or 96 unknown. So a lot of the other Litecoin mining pools are now accumulating or selling off those coins. I don't know if they're selling or not, but Junk Coin as well. Look at this, 1.2 petahash network hash rate. All right. And Mining Dutch only has 37.28 of the terahash, which again is paying out to the miners, but the other pools are not paying that out, or maybe they're keeping it and selling it. I don't know. They're not being honest about it. They've never, none of them, I haven't heard any of these other pools announcing that they're paying these out. So it's kind of scammy that you can see on mining pool stats, a lot of petahash here, a lot of hash rate is not actually showing up on these other pools. And the other pools are just accumulating or selling these other coins. Okay, so it's really the dark side. Okay, the dark side of merge mining. All right, so go watch that video. I explain everything in there regarding, you know, how it all works, and, you know, what mining pools are pretty much all the mining pools are not paying it out. Okay. Anyways, okay, going back here, guys. So what am I gonna do? Which method am I going to, you know, get back that $15,000 November batch L9? Well, I thought about it long and hard, and I truly want to do the mine and hodl method, okay, of this L9, because I know that is obviously one of the best methods to break even on it. Looks like the L9 price is going down now. If anyone's interested, again, link down below. But looks like the L9, okay, when I first got it was about $15,000 at that time, okay, a couple days ago. So breaking even on that, I want to try selling every day. And I know a lot of you guys are probably saying, Red Panda, why? Why don't you just do the mine and hodl method? You know, I want to do that, but I want to try something different. Okay, I'm going to try just every time I get a payout of from Mining Dutch, and I'm gonna do it into Dogecoin, okay? Because I'll be able to track. Okay, because Dogecoin is obviously the biggest. You can see here on the pie is 86.1%. So the rest of the coins that I've been accumulating here, okay, like Lucky Coin, 18 bucks worth of Lucky Coin, 10 bucks worth of LTC, $1.25 on Junk Coin, Digibyte, some Digibyte here. But majority of it is Doge, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sell this all or trade all of these, the rest of the coins into Doge on Mining Dutch, and then I'm gonna get paid out onto my Tangem, and then I can keep track that way of if I sell every day, okay, the cost basis of whenever I receive it in my wallet, and then as well, the other later on, like as we do the final video, or, you know, when I break even on it, hopefully, then I can see the alternative. If I just simply mine and held, because I can export actually all the CSV of all my Dogecoin transactions. And then I can see, you know, if I just simply held all that Dogecoin up to a certain point, every day I got paid out in Doge, then I can calculate how much I would have gotten if Dogecoin did go to higher highs. Okay. But this time I want to see, I'm going to sell into fiat every day. And we're going to see how long it takes to get its money back that way. Okay. I think most people will not enjoy that, but I think this is a test I want to try this time. I've never done, you know, selling every day. I've never done a test like that. Like all of my ASIC mining tests have always been the tried and true method of mine and hodl. But this time I'm going to sell into fiat because it's, in my opinion, it seems quite high. But of course, I am potentially going to miss out. I'm going to miss out if Dogecoin goes higher. You know, if all these other coins also go up higher in multiplier, I'm going to miss out. But this is just a different test I want to try. Okay, so hopefully you guys let me do it this time. Okay, I know a lot of people don't agree with that method of selling every day. But, you know, some people here did agree. Some people did, sell it all as you go until ROI. You know, some people, like in the comments that you guys are talking about, some people said do that way. So I think I'm going to try it this time, mine and hodl, sell at the end of the year. A lot of people want me to mine and hodl. Some people sell 50-50, you know, I'm just going to do all or nothing. I'm just going to sell every day and we're going to document it. I'm going to document this and we're going to see how long it takes. We're going to do the whole method of mining and hodl. And, you know, since, you know, monthly, this thing, mining and selling every day, not mine and hodl. I'm so used to saying that. But if this thing is generating about, you know, $2,000 a month, with obviously it could change higher or lower, my break even could be within the next, 5-6 months if everything sustains at these levels. And another thing, what I mean by sustaining is like, because right now, you know, the volume for trading on Doge is like almost 10 billion. But the emissions for Dogecoin right now, for all the miners, for everyone who's mining Dogecoin right now, is $5.53 million. So that's a drop in the bucket against the volume that's showing up on Doge right now. So I think it's like, we did the math, 0.005%, like not even 1% of the trading volume is the emissions of what Dogecoin is putting out every day. So if everyone sold $5 million worth of Doge every day, it wouldn't be a huge, you know, so much sell pressure that's happening on Doge. But yeah, it's been pretty sustained here since November 12th. It's December 3rd as of recording this video, so it hasn't been insane drops on Doge. So I'm gonna try selling every day, and this is gonna be a test. Like I said, I've never done before. If you guys don't like it, well, I'm just gonna, then we'll see if it panned out or not, and if I should have just mined and held all the Dogecoin. But see, if I'm going to Doge, I'll be able to you know, export my CSV because I'm going to mine into a tangent, so I can see which way is going to be better, either selling every day or hodling all the Doge, which we can do that test. We can see if that worked out later on in the future, whenever I can break even on this miner. But okay, my friends, that's it. Let me know your thoughts. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.